2006 Chevy Malibu, driver's side mirror removal. First thing you guys need to do is to remove the panel, which I already have a video. You guys can go there and watch it, how to remove the panel first, and then once you have the panel removed, you're gonna need to remove this little plastic. All you need is a screwdriver, flathead. Pry it out, pry it off, and yeah. And then pull it up right here, like that. This wire is broken, but this for the speaker right here, little speaker. And then you guys wanna see the connector for the mirror right here. You can just go ahead and disconnect it. Once disconnected, you're gonna remove those three 10mm nuts. One, two, three, and it's ready. Okay, so that's all you have to do. And you guys know the installation is the reverse of the removal. Thank you.